In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Email Octopus. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a verified sender, a contact list uploaded, and your first campaign sent. I will keep everything clear and practical so you can follow along in your own account. First, start in your Email Octopus dashboard and go to the top right corner. Click Account Settings, and then choose Sender. This area is where you tell Email Octopus which email address is allowed to send campaigns from your account. Using the correct sender details is important for deliverability and for subscriber trust, so it is worth taking a moment to do this carefully. Next, click Add Sender. Enter the email address you want to send from, and complete the verification process. Email Octopus will send a verification message to that inbox. Open it and follow the verification link so Email Octopus can confirm you own the address. If you do not see the email, check your spam or promotions folder and make sure your inbox is not blocking automated messages. Once verified, your sender will be ready to use in campaigns. After your sender is set up, move on to your audience. Click Add Contacts Lists. In Email Octopus, lists are how you organize subscribers, and the list you choose later will determine who receives your campaign. Create or select the list you want to work with, and make sure the name is something you will recognize easily later. Now click Import to upload your CSV of contacts. Choose your CSV file and follow the prompts to map your columns correctly, such as email address and any optional fields like first name. Take a moment to confirm the data looks right before finishing the import, since clean formatting helps avoid errors and bounced emails. Once your list is ready, go to Campaigns, click Create, and choose Regular. This is the standard email campaign option. Select your list, then edit your content. Add your subject line and build your email message, keeping it clear and easy to read. When everything looks correct, click Send Now to deliver your campaign immediately. That covers everything you need to know.